Hey guys, Mr. One and Only Snipe here, and I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to create a Bukkit server with port forwarding or Hamachi. Well, I'm actually not going to show you how to do Hamachi because that's for noobs, and nobody can connect with Hamachi, and it's really laggy usually. Okay, so first place you're going to go is this website right here. Put it down in the description, and then you're going to go up here. It should be open already. You got this right here. You're going to go to, or actually it's going to be like this. Top build. You click on this one right here, and you're going to click on it, download it to wherever, and you get this file. What you're going to want to do, then go onto this site right here, and you're going to go to down here, whether you're 32-bit or 64-bit, doesn't matter. It tells you how to do both. You're going to go into your server, in the file that you created, drag in the craft bucket. Then you're going to want to go right click, new text document, double click on the text document, and you're going to copy and paste this at echo off, set binder equals all that. Right click, copy, control V, or right click, paste, doesn't matter. Then you're going to go file, save as. Sorry if I'm doing this fast, I want to get done over with. Then you're going to save as file, all file types. You're going to save it as whatever you want .bat. Make sure it's .bat. And next to that, delete the new text document because that just crams up your system. And then click on that. And it's going to generate a whole bunch of stuff. And if I remember, I will fast forward through this. Or maybe I'll just pause it. I'll pause it. Okay, I'm back, and we are done. You won't get the warning can't keep up, because your computer's probably better than mine. Once you're done generating everything, and it says done, 7.3, whatever, doesn't matter what's in the brackets there, you can type stop, and it will stop the server. Anytime now. And it's taking me too long. Okay, so I'm guessing now you got everything in here, so you want to make sure other people can connect to it, and you're going to go into server.properties. You're going to change whatever you want in here, it doesn't matter. And you're going to change the server IP. You're going to go right, press on your connection, open network sharing, and you're going to find your connection if this loads up. And I am connected. You're going to click on this one right here if you have wireless, and then you're going to go details, and it'll give you the IPv4 address. Mine's 192.168.5.100. Yours will probably be different. So I'm going to type, sorry about that, 192.168.5.100. You can change the port to whatever you want, it really doesn't matter. And we'll set, it doesn't really matter. Message of the day is just what you see when you type in the server, it says under the name what it says, so you type test. I'm not going to go on because this will lag my computer really badly. And we're going to save that. X out. Okay, and now we're going to put in some plugins because servers are pretty boring without any plugins. So we're going to go to this third link right here, or fourth link actually. Next to that, Control V, enter, and you're going to get any plugins you want. There's fun ones, there's administration ones, there's whatever you want. But I am going to get Essentials, which I already have on my computer, in here. So it's in, I believe, this one. This is my online server, and I don't think I want to share that with you guys. If you really want it, then message me. But other than that, drag in these 3 essentials. It's probably, oh, maybe not. Open up the plugins folder. Now you're going to drag in the 3 essentials. Put them all in there. Then you're going to start up your server again. should say something about what's it? Well, essentials in here. But we'll just give that some time, and then once we can close that up. We got 5:30 right now. We're at okay. So I got quite a bit of time. We'll just give this a bit, and if you guys want any tutorials on how to do anything, I'm sure that I can figure out how to do it. I'm fairly smart with computers, and if you really want it, I'll figure it out. And if this tutorial helped you, please let me know in the comments, or just like it. It's easy as clicking one button. It's not that hard to do, guys. But it's almost, no, maybe it just wants to do this more to piss me off. This is my Skype. My Skype name's edits if you want to know. And essentials is loading. And it's done. So type in stop. And you pretty much do the same thing for any server if you want to put in plugins. And it generated a new thing. A new folder. And you would want to type in the config. Now, you're going to want to get a new program called Notepad++. And if you go onto Google, mine's in the toolbar, so you just Notepad++. Google search that. You get this link. Go to download. I might as well put this link in the description too while I'm at it. And you're going to download the installer. Let me just put this in here so I don't forget. Control V. And there we go. And then you're going to download that, do all the installing and stuff. It's not that hard to do, it's simple. Then once you're done that, you should be able to open YML files. Because if you open it with Notepad, it looks like this. Just normal Notepad. And if you want to deal with this, be my guest, but frankly, I don't, so yeah, because that's really confusing to try to go through that. So let me just exit that and open it with Notepad. It's all in lines, very neat, and it's all cool. So you can edit whichever you want in here, and message of the day, you can edit it. Welcome this awesome person. Oh, jeez, I can't type. Person player to the game. Type that for the list of commands. We can get rid of this because that's to do with permissions and stuff. And then you can change the rules, and God, you want to keep most of this stuff just how it is, because it's really not that important. One thing is Essentials Chat. Oh, I don't want to deal with that either, because it's kind of confusing how if you have multiple chats. But yes, that should be all. Then you just go File, Save, and you're done. So you should have that. You should, you think you're done, server, everybody. You're so excited to have all your friends, and they're ready to come on, and they can't connect. Why is that? Because you haven't port forwarded. So what you want to do, you go to your default gateway. Mine's 192.168.5.1. Yours will be different because I changed mine. Press enter. It'll bring you up to the page, login, if it ever wants to show up. You type in admin, which is the default password. And then you go to advanced. If you have a D-Link router, yours will be different. It will be called virtual ports or port forwarding. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to port forwarding. let it load up. And I got my Minecraft server name in here. Application, I don't have it, so you just put in the IP address, the same one that you put into the server.properties right here. And then you put in the computer name. It doesn't really matter, this one. And the UDP is the port. So, and then allow all, so all computers can connect. Just save settings. Nothing gonna change. Save anyway, because I already did this. I'm trying to do my other, and then it should all be good. And just let it wait if you have this thing. So if there are any questions whatsoever, I'll get back to you. I check my YouTube mailbox every day, and I read the comments all the time. So I'm not gonna test it because it'll just crash my computer if I do all this stuff. It's a pretty bad computer, but if this has helped, and also if you want this background, just message me, PM. Like it, favorite, and love it. I will see you next time, my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.